What you doing, Precious? Eat an apple? Yeah? Is it good? Yeah? You're okay. Precious loves apples. Don't ya? Don't ya? Mm-hmm. He loves apples and he loves anything he can rip apart. So this keeps him busy and occupied for a little while. Right, Precious? Yeah, anything to keep you busy. Busy, busy. Mm-hmm. Good morning, Winston. Good morning. You resting? Yeah? Oh, here comes Lucky. Here comes Lucky. What are you doing? What are you doing? I see you. Precious, you are a busy beaver, aren't you? Yeah. Busy, busy beaver. Yes.
Hi.
I know. Hey, Coco. Hey, Coco. Where's Coco? Coco. Where's Coco?